I'm Daniel from the City of Hobart, environmental scientist for waterways. We're down here on the Hobart rivulet where Tasmanian Tree Care have partnered with us to remove willows, invasive cracked willows, along this section of waterway. This is part of a greater grant funding through the federal government and the Hobart City Council. We're reducing risk to people by flood mitigation, but also increasing environmental values, revegetating with native vegetation.
One, two, three!
It's really important that we get these willows out because they're causing problems with the water flow. So as they get in thickets, they push the water out and cause bank erosion. They also have really complicated root systems that take a lot of the water and redirect it. In winter, when they drop their leaves, ends up creating anaerobic conditions at the bottom of the water which can deplete the oxygen. All the willows we have here are all male willows and they propagate through propagules, so just little segments, even 1.5 centimetres can root if they're left, so it's really important. Remove every single branch of these willows. What we can, we're removing whilst it's live. The smaller, less than 7 centimetre at breast height, those willows are getting removed immediately, and the larger willows we're poisoning first, so that when we remove them it's not just going to cause a huge heap of propagules to spread down the river. We also have some debris nets set up so that the propagules get caught and don't spread further down.
I know the willow trees in England and they're a beautiful tree, but when they came to Australia they became a weed, and I know they block up all the creeks because they're very persistent. However, good luck to them, I guess.